Bush Rake TRKT 1680-8. This huge machine makes life easier for farmers not only with its impressive size, but also with its efficiency in clearing brush. It can uproot and remove brush that has accumulated for years in a single move, without being affected by difficult terrain conditions. Imagine, all those dense bushes and tough grasses in your field are being cut as if they were dancing with the 8 powerful discs of SIP Silvercut. This huge machine works not only fast but also with perfect precision, ensuring that the grass dries quickly. Thanks to its special conditioner that accelerates moisture loss, you get drier and higher quality results when collecting your grass. The MRPH-1 semi-automatic seedling planting machine is designed as the best friend of vegetable producers. Compatible with all types of ready-made vegetable and fruit seedlings available on the market, this machine is manually fed by the user and can plant an average of 2,000 to 2,500 seedlings per hour, depending on the type of seedling and the planting frequency. With this amazing technology, the old ways of doing things in the fields are no longer the same. The Arid Pulse Trio is a true design for the future. This device transforms the soil into a work of art while optimizing the harvest at the same time, saving time and increasing efficiency. But wait, it's not over yet. Thanks to its special vibration system, this machine works the soil in such a way that every inch of it comes to life. Are you ready to get to know a technology that is revolutionizing the world of agriculture? Here is the DeWolf Quattro, the 4-row, self-propelled potato harvester. This impressive machine maximizes the productivity of your field, even in the most difficult weather conditions, thanks to its ability to harvest from the front. With its wide tracks and unique design, it minimizes soil compaction, so your crops are always of the best quality. Imagine, a machine that multiplies your workforce and carries giant bales in minutes comes into your life. Here is the Stepa hay crane with gripper. This miraculous technology turns agricultural work into child's play. Do you need manpower to carry bales? Not anymore. This powerful crane grasps the hay bales with its specially designed gripper mechanism and places them where you want with millimeter precision. Preparing your soil has never been easier or more effective. The Iconoclast Pro is an electric cultivator designed for the needs of modern farmers. This innovative tool smooths the top 1.5 to 3.8 centimeters of soil before sowing or planting in minimal tillage operations. This extraordinary machine is turning traditional farming methods on their head. The mole plow drainer is revolutionizing water management by creating a drainage system built into the soil. How does this work? The Covenbrook model digs small tunnels underground, allowing excess water to drain away easily. This means that flooded land is a thing of the past. This small but powerful machine is the new face of clearing your farmland. With its 18-horsepower engine, it is a beast when it comes to collecting dry leaves, branches, and other waste. Friends, here is the future of chicken farming. ESM Avicina is a harvester that revolutionizes the process of collecting chickens. This machine can automatically collect thousands of chickens in a few hours. This harvester does the laborious work that used to take days with the old methods in just a few hours. It collects the chickens quickly and effectively without harming them or causing them stress. Atomizer Twister Espaldera is a spraying machine designed especially for large gardens and agricultural areas. This machine protects your plants from harmful insects and diseases while reducing the environmental impact by minimizing the chemicals used. So how is this possible? Let's take a look at the details. The Cleveland 9624 is a trencher designed to conquer agricultural fields, large construction projects, and difficult terrain. Able to dig hundreds of meters of trench per hour, this heavy-duty machine cuts through any terrain like paper. The Wilson Super Move stands out with its robust structure and large capacity. This trailer can carry a large amount of bales at the same time, making it indispensable especially for large farms. Thanks to its advanced hydraulic system, loading and unloading of bales is done in seconds and without any difficulty. The Husqvarna Sweeper is a cleaning tool designed especially for large gardens, parks, and various open areas. This sweeper allows you to quickly get rid of leaves, grass clippings, and other debris, and easily collects all types of debris on the ground thanks to its powerful brushes. Modern slurry spreaders are designed to spread this fertilizer liquid evenly and efficiently across the field. Able to cover large areas, these machines can distribute fertilizer without disturbing the soil structure and without polluting water resources. This makes a major contribution to sustainable agricultural practices.